Michael Landgraf, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Welcome back to another edition of the 3Rivers Market Report, where we give you the local housing data. This is the report for June 4th, 2025, and up arrows definitely beat down arrows. We saw price appreciation coming back. We've seen a slowdown and softening in the market on price and slowing up on market, but we're seeing that actually the market sped up. Prices went up, more homes sold. Everybody was getting them closed for the end of the month is what it appears, because we saw a huge increase in homes sold. We saw active available inventory up another 2% week over week, up 40% year over year. New listings came in up 13% week over week, up 19% year over year. Solds came in up 63% week over week, down just 2% year over year. Pendings came in up 20% week over week and up 21% year over year. Median sale price we saw increase $275, showing up 5.7% appreciation versus last year's number. Year over year, we're seeing about 250,000 median sale price, showing about 4.6% appreciation, which is down from we peaked at just over 6. So, but we're still showing appreciation over the last 4 months, about 4.6. I think by the end of this year, my prediction is we're probably going to see a flat line or maybe 3% appreciation, which is extremely low compared to the volatile years we've seen in the past 5 years. So, but we're still seeing some appreciation, but maybe this is a crash. Maybe the crash is coming. We don't know. We report, you decide. Days on market sped up to 29 average, 7 median. That's a little slower than last year at this time when it was 21 average and 4 median. Last 12 months, homes sold came in at 4,391 versus last year at this time was 4,336. So still showing up 1.2%, down from our high we peaked a little while ago of just over 3%, but we're still well above that recession year we had here in Fort Wayne, 3Rivers market area 2023. So we still have 3.5 buyers per listing. We've got to get to a true balance 6 months inventory, need about 2,195 homes. So we need about 1,100 to be in the 3 months where it's true buyer's market. We've got about 629 active available listings. So we're sitting at just over 2 months inventory right now. So still a seller's market, getting close to a buyer's market, and it's trending that way. So definitely could be your time to find your dream home. If not, we'll put together a game plan for you. Feel free to reach out to us. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.